Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Recently, I revealed one of my newest purchases, and it's a MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag in black. If you haven't seen this video, you know where to find that. Link is below in the description box. Because I've used this bag before I revealed it, I even taken it to New York, I promised that I'm going to do the full detailed review very soon. Here we come. Today I'm giving you the full detailed review on MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag, and I'm going to show you how the bag looks on me in the mod shot section of this video. And of course we're going to do a what fits test. We're all very curious to know if this teeny weeny bag can hold the large phone. I wanted this bag in the black color only, but it comes in a various different colors, like a light and a dark brown, beige or chalk color as well. I even seen that in a leopard print made of pony hair leather. Oh, I've seen that in the distressed leather too, looking like a bag has been heavily worn for a really long time. Absolutely love this look. Don't be shy to check out all these bags and the links for them in the description bar below. The bag is made of very beautiful, soft, delicate Nappa leather. And the Nappa leather is famous for being so tactile, and I'm a sucker for a tactile bag. When I hold this bag, when I touch that, oh my god, it gives me so much pleasure. But we all know that the delicate Nappa leather comes with one of the downsides, and it's being prone to any scratches, marks and stains. Here, MIU MIU pouch bag kind of get away with that because the bag comes in already distressed looking wrinkly leather, and that's why any marks or scratches, it doesn't cost or add any extra patina. It just gives a little bit of story to the bag, so the bag doesn't look tired or worn. It's actually hard to be seen on that wrinkly looking leather. But the second downside of the Nappa leather bag, due to being so soft, it doesn't keep shape very well. So at the moment, for the sake of this video and also for sake of storing the bag, I have a little bit of tissue paper inside in this cylindric form. I'm going to just get rid of that just now. The bag comes with that tissue paper inside, and I'm keeping that for storage at the moment, just to allow the bag to keep the shape for as long as possible. And you know, you can see that straight away. As soon as I take that paper out, we can see a little bit of misshaping already going on the bag. It doesn't give me any problem, or I dislike the bag for that, but just for you to keep in mind. It's just a trade-off which we need to be prepared when we are dealing with a Nappa leather. The bag comes in a very beautiful, very trendy and a fashionable cylindric form. It reminds me one of the viral Vero bags, and yes, it is still expensive. At the moment in the UK, a MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag is being retailed for £890, but it's still cheaper than the Vero bag. I believe they are over £1,100 or maybe closer even to the £1,200. I love this viral trendy shape of the cylindric form, and I love how tiny it is because I love my mini tiny bags. The bag comes with a zipper closure. On the tag we have a MIU MIU engraving over here on the both sides as well, and the little leather Nappa leather tag to help us to open and close the bag. The zipper comes in a gold color, and it's so smooth and very easy to operate. I hate when the luxury bags have a very stiff zipper and you kind of like need to put all the effort to open and close that. And obviously, because we want to keep our bags and the belongings in the bags secure, we zipped our bags and keep them zipped, you know. And that's why when a zipper is too stiff, oh, it just annoys me so much to open and close the bag. Here we don't have any problem at all. It's super smooth and very, very nice. On the front of the bag, we have a MIU MIU embossing over here, and it's the same color, black color, as the rest of the bag, and that's why it's not kind of like a being too brandy, not being into your face, and that's what I like that. It's like a faded away a little MIU MIU branding. On the sides, it's nothing going on there, no feetsies. We wouldn't need the feetsies here. The bag is way too small, and I think having a little feet at the bottom will kind of like, I'm not going to say that it will make the bag look ugly, but it'll make the bag look disproportional, I would say, in my opinion. Then if we look inside the bag, then we have a one big hole, like I usually say, and in this case it's a one small hole, but we don't have any pockets, nothing, even card slots, nothing at all, just a textile cotton interior with a little MIU MIU plaque and the golden embossing there. But I really like that it's nothing going on inside the bag, because what? It will increase the capacity of the bag, and it's a really important when we're dealing with such small little bag. And then we come to one of my most favorite features of this bag, MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag, and it's this removable and adjustable taupe handle. It's being attached to the bag with those little buckles on the side, and we can easily remove that taupe handle, and it has 5 adjustable holes on each side. In this moment, I do have the bag, or I did have the bag on the lowest adjustable hole, so that's what it looks like, the lengthwise. It's easily, so the drop is big enough to wear the bag on your shoulder, and because you can't put that much in the bag, it will never get stuck or like get hurt your shoulder, even being that thin. But it's absolutely comfortably sitting on your shoulder because it's so light. The bag is light itself, and you can't get much inside. So yeah, it's very comfortable and convenient to wear the bag on your shoulder. But then you can shorten that taupe handle, for example, to the shortest one here. And I'm going to demonstrate you 5. I'm like, where's the 5th one? And remember, it was a 5 adjustable holes, but yeah. So we are adjusting it like this, and on the other side as well. And it's easily, the bag is being converted in just a taupe handle bag like this, with a little bit of, you know, this nice elements, kind of like a fashionable elements on the side. You can just attach them as well into the little loops on the side, and then they're not sticking out as much and rather hanging like this. But it makes, see, it's such a small feature, but it makes the bag so versatile. Obviously within being a small little bag, but it's still, I love how versatile the bag becomes with those many options. I mentioned that the strap is completely removable. So if we remove the strap completely, we can use the bag as a little pouch. Yes, it's in the name of the bag, the pouch bag, but it could be a little clutch. So like that, you can use that as a little clutch or as a pouch and get your cosmetics or teeny weeny things like a jewelry inside there. So again, beautiful versatile piece. But another thing what I like about this bag so much, but this buckles on the side, I hope you can see them. They are big enough for us to use any other straps or chains and convert the bag. Add the additional elements to the bag. For example, to convert the bag into the crossbody bag, I'm using my little strap. I don't have a matching black strap at the moment, but it's totally up to you. It doesn't need to be a matchy black to black. If you want to use the contrast straps, absolutely fine, no problem with that at all. So this long strap is from my Louis Vuitton bag. So, and I'm going to just demonstrate. The hoops are quite big here, as you can see, but because the buckles have so much space in there, it allows even those big hoops to go inside easily and creating the bag as a crossbody like that. I'm actually quite liking that, the contrast situation here, and that the strap is not matchy at all. Interesting. I'm actually loving it, how contrasting it is. But then I also grabbed the chain from my Coach frame kiss lock bag in the size 16, and here we go. And that has a different hoops, as you can see there, but I can easily get them in as well. And now we have a more evening version of the MIU MIU bag, just adding a little bit of dressy element to this bag with a golden chain like this. And the hardware not like 100% matchy, but I think it's fine as well. Look at that. I just wanted to demonstrate how versatile this bag, and it's so tiny, but you can add all these different chains or straps and convert the bag in a crossbody bag. You know, you can use the shorter straps, top handles. Wow, you can use your imagination and convert this bag to anything you want. And now, when we go through this bag inside and out, it's time for a what fits test. I know you've been waiting for it. And now it's a moment of truth. With my combo of essentials, I'm going to demonstrate to you how much we can fit into the MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag. And we will start with my essential number 1, and it's a large iPhone, 16 centimeters long. It easily goes in there. And then we add a chunky card holder, like a purse-looking card holder, easily go in there too. And the key pouch goes on the other side, but no problem at all. Then the AirPods. And then I will even push that to the limit and put my sunglasses in there. All easily goes there. And then we're going for the lip oil and the lip balm as well. I want to use all of that capacity, and let's try to zip it up. Is it going to be easy? Voila, very easy. And that's what it looks like. Yes, we did use the full capacity of this bag, but it looks perfectly, it easily closed, and this is how much we can fit in there. I think for such a small bag, it's an amazing capacity. And now it's time for the mochos. I'm going to show you how MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag looks on me. For the reference, I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. The bag doesn't come with any crossbody long straps. However, you can add additional straps or chains and wear the bag crossbody. I'm going to demonstrate to you how the bag sits across your body. I use my chain from the Coach frame kiss lock bag in the size 16. Also, using that chain, you can wear the bag on the right or the left shoulder. Or if we use the strap which comes with the bag, we can wear that on the right or a left shoulder as well, using the last adjustable holes here, and it's 5 of them on each side. Or you can wear the bag in your hands, on the crook of your arm, or as a little clutch. I really like to get my hand around the bag like that, especially when my phone, large iPhone inside there, creating this clutch shape. So I can hold the bag like that and use that as a clutch bag. At the end, I just want to say once again how much I love my MIU MIU Nappa leather pouch bag. It has this very trendy, fashionable cylindric shape. It comes in the very tactile, delicate Nappa leather. And although Nappa leather is very infamous for being prone to scratches and marks, here we hardly can find any because it comes in the distressed, wrinkly type of the Nappa leather. It's very light. It can fit so much. We've seen that in a what fits test. And the main thing and the deal breaker for me, it can fit my large iPhone 16 centimeters long. It's also a very versatile piece for such a small size. You can add a different straps and the chains to that, converting the bag in a crossbody bag, or you can use that as a pouch. You can adjust this strap with the 5 adjustable holes on every side and convert those little long pieces, the little long straps, in a top handle or into the shoulder strap. I'm in love, and it's definitely going to be one of the most worn bags of 2026 for me. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!